Back once again, AP Government students. In this lesson, we're exploring the legislative systems, how laws are made, how legislatures are structured, and how they vary between countries. In today's video, we will cover the types of legislatures, the legislative functions, examples from AP 6 countries. So let's just get started. What's a legislature? Well, a legislator is a branch of government responsible for making the laws, but they also approve budgets and are a check on the executive branch. They represent the people. Legislatures reflect the political culture and regime type of a country. There are two main types of legislative structures. The first is the unicameral legislature. One chamber, one lawmaking body. It's simpler, it's more efficient. It's very common in unitary states. For example, Iran has one body, the majlis. The other is the bicameral legislature, two chambers, usually a lower house and an upper house. They offer checks and balances between regions, social groups, or classes. They are often found in federal states. Example, Nigeria, the National Assembly, which is the House of Representatives, and their Senate. In the UK, they have the House of Commons as the lower house and the House of Lords as the upper. The power between the chambers can be balanced or uneven. Legislative powers and responsibilities. Well, key legislative functions include passing laws, budget approval, oversight of the executive, ratifying treaties or appointments, and sometimes impeachment or removal powers. Actual power of legislatures depends on the regime type. In democracies, legislatures can act independently and challenge the executive. In authoritarian regimes, legislatures may serve symbolic or advisory roles only. For example, in Mexico, stronger legislative independence has happened over time as they democratize. In China, the National People's Congress functions largely as a rubber stamp to all party decisions. Key observation: the more democratic a country, the more independent and powerful the legislature. Legislative systems in our AP 6 countries. Well, the UK is bicameral with the House of Commons and the House of Lords. The Commons is the dominant house, the lower house. In Nigeria, it is bicameral, very strong independent legislature in Nigeria. In Mexico, it is bicameral. It is growing in independence. In Russia, it is bicameral with the Duma and the Federation Council, but it is controlled by the executive branch. In China, it is unicameral, the National People's Congress, and it is subordinate to the CCP, or the Chinese Communist Party. In Iran, it is unicameral, the majlis. It is limited and overseen by the Guardian Council. So let's review. Unicameral equals one chamber, way more efficient. Bicameral is two chambers. It's more representative or balanced, but it is less efficient. Legislative power varies based on regime type. Authoritarian legislatures may exist, but serve limited functions. Understanding legislative structures helps us analyze how policy is made and how power is distributed. Coming up next, we'll be looking at topic 2.7, or independent legislatures. Thank you. Please like and subscribe for more AP comparative government content. Stay curious, review often, and stay informed. Have a great day.